As I sort through these beautiful linens that have been handed down through my family, I focused on highlighting the lovely embroidered monograms and intricate drawn threadwork in my final design. Of course, no one uses linen bath towels and hand towels anymore, but I wanted the exquisite work of the Edwardian lady who lovingly sewed these for her trousseau to be seen and appreciated. And as I'm going to an event for historical sewers, I know that it will be. Each of the towels has its own unique character, all in different sizes, different fabrics, while all in white with different textures. Some even bear the marks of a past fire in an airing cupboard, as well as little laundry tags that I'll be preserving. I'm going to make sure to place the most beautiful details prominently on the coat, with the monograms on the front and back, the embroidered irises on the lapels, and the fringed edges along the hem. In creating this coat, I used my antique 1920s Singer hand crank sewing machine. The steel needle of this machine goes easily through the double layers of fabric as I join the pieces through top stitching. Now, of course, as anyone with a border collie knows, sewing is often interrupted by the need for a walk. I have one very energetic dog and another who just enjoys peaceful meanders with hugs and treats. And now, as I try on my coat for the first time, I'm so pleased with the fit, even though I haven't made any adjustments. And of course, the quality of this vintage Irish linen is just beautiful. It has such a lovely feel to it. And the event itself has a Brideshead revisited theme. So we're punting on the river in scenic Oxford. And if you would like to see more of the beautiful costumes that other historical and vintage costumers wore to this event and join us to mess around on the river, then do come back for my next video. Until then, thank you for joining me for this one.